Hi, it's Janice here with Remax The Woodlands in Spring, bringing you another beautiful property in the Woodlands, Texas. This property is it's so fun because I love this job. I have the opportunity to be able to orchestrate and bring a bunch of different groups together. We did staging with this particular property. We did like a full clean, we did window cleaning, we did all sorts of stuff just to get it to the point where it really does feel like a model home. And I'm really proud of it. It looks fantastic. You know, the icing on the cake is always the pictures. I'm going to put some before and after pictures together just to see what a difference it makes when you're prepping a home for getting it on the market and really getting it to the point where it really does feel like a model home or a show home. I think that's when you've reached success, when you're talking about listing a property. So super excited. I'm at an open house. We're just getting it prepared for an open house here. We're just about to open the door. So better get going. Have a wonderful day and enjoy the holiday season. Take care and we'll talk to you soon.